There was a rumor that Samsung would remove the Galaxy S24 Plus from its portfolio, leaving the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is designed for productivity, and the smaller Galaxy S24, which is the entry-level model. Although leaker Ice Universe stated that the screen will still have curved sides, there are rumors that the screen will be entirely flat. In a follow-up tweet, Ice Universe reiterated the leak, stating that the Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat display will measure approximately 6.8 inches at a resolution of 1440 pixels, but with a peak brightness of 2500 nits this time. Compared to the 1750 nits panel on the Galaxy S23 Ultra this year, that is a huge improvement. When you take into account the rumors about the flat screen and the fact that the S24 Ultra will weigh only 233 grams thanks to a titanium frame, it seems like a significant improvement over this year's phone. This year, Samsung is focusing on the Galaxy S24 Plus, finally making some significant improvements to the display. Apart from having somewhat bigger screens than its predecessors, the S24 and S24 Plus will also have QHD resolution, which will result in an even denser screen than the S24 Ultra. It's a little simpler to assume the specifications. Worldwide and in the United States, the Galaxy S24 is probably going to be powered by the as-yet unannounced Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Last year, the two businesses collaborated to create a customized Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 model for the Galaxy S23, and it's difficult to see that relationship ending. In the meanwhile, anticipate these phones to have 8GB to 12GB of RAM and different storage capacities, with the Ultra possibly having up to 2TB. It's just another contemporary smartphone, really. What Samsung actually intends to power this smartphone has been the subject of much discussion in recent weeks, especially in Europe. Although the firm has refuted this story, there have been earlier rumors that Samsung intended to return to in-house CPUs by 2027. As a result, there is talk that the business may try to switch back to Exynos chips in some markets as early as next year. Given the popularity of the Qualcomm-based Galaxy S23, this could be a contentious decision, which probably explains the conflicting reports. Based on Android 14, One UI 6 was formally released in beta for the Galaxy S23 series in August, ahead of what is expected to be a stable update for those three phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and the Galaxy S23. On top of Android 14, the Galaxy S24 will ship with One UI 6 or 6.1, along with a few additional features. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.